for Shalani and for Chester. Kasi nabanggit ni Derek kanina na it's about, may part about memory na yung movie niyo. So, if it's okay, would you be able to share your favorite memory and your most painful memory? Siguro without giving all the details if it's too painful to remember.
Painful memory.
Yeah, and your favorite memory.
Okay, painful memory and favorite memory. Well, painful memory is, well, I think I'm gonna say I pay more sa kuryente nitong nakaraan. It's so high, grabe. That's very painful. No, seriously, kasi it's used to be 5K and then now it's 11K. That's too much. So, favorite memory is that nag-staycation ako with my family and then I enjoy it. Ayun, and then we go for a swim and then, ayun, there was a place here in Pampanga. There got like a cheese bread, like LA bake shop. Napakasarap ng cheese bread doon. I like it so much, we enjoy it. And then, ayun, yung mga favorite memories ko, like we go out, family, outing, swimming. Ayun, tapos nabili ko yung mga good gadgets. Actually, yun yung mga favorite memories ko ngayon eh. Like, I can afford things na good for me. Ayun, tapos I eat stuff, pero syempre, nandun pa rin yung binabalance ko yung mga diet. Yun yung mga good things para sa favorite memory ko yun. Like, most of the time. Maraming salamat, Miss Dawn.
Shalani.
Okay, sige, I won't go into details, but my painful memory siguro para sa akin is my career. When I was struggling to find my way in life, like in general, kung ano yung magiging career ko, kung saan ako pupunta, ganyan. Kasi I wasn't really happy. Parang, at some point sabi ko, okay, dito ako magaling, pero I wasn't happy. So yun yung parang isa sa pinaka naging frustration ko talaga last year. Siguro favorite memory ko is when I was offered to be a Viva artist. Yung time na yon, parang sabi ko, finally, nabigyan ako ng opportunity to express myself naman artistically and creatively. Kasi I believe myself as a very creative person. I think a lot. I'm a very introspective person. And through this craft, feeling ko dun ko siya mai-express ng sobra. Kaya, yun parang celebrating myself as me. Kasi parang during my corporate jobs, I was, parang...
You're stuck?
I was stuck. I was playing a certain role. Tapos parang naisip ko sa sarili ko, ito na lang ba yung role ko forever? I want to be everything. And then through this being an artist, parang you can be everything. So yun yung nakakatuwa doon. Kaya ako siya favorite memory. Thank you. Thank you for asking that. That's a good question.
Thank you. And for Direk, kung bibigyan niyo ng tagline itong Latina, what would it be? A blurb or catchphrase?
We become our memories is our tagline.
Ganda. Thank you.
Thank you. That was